Hi there! Today's presentation is about the Extraterrestrials of Light and making contact with this alliance of teaching and healing aliens. For millennia, aliens and UFOs have been associated with mystery and secretism. Eyewitness accounts and endless tales of extraterrestrials and unidentified flying objects has been a source of wonder and curiosity. This awe and amazement has inspired countless artists, movies, and books. There is an array of EBEs, ETs, and alien species. Most of their histories and origins are still being revealed to humanity, and there are way too many for me to cover. So in this presentation, I introduce Contacting the ETs of Light. The agenda of this very helpful and loving beings is to gently shift the collective consciousness of the human species into higher dimensional states of existence, from 3D to 5D. There are many benefits to contacting the ETs of Light. They are highly advanced, very loving, and very peaceful beings from various parts of the universe and galaxy. They are ready to communicate with any soul that aspires to journey with them into higher states of awareness. They want to make contact with those that seek extraterrestrial intelligence. If this piques your interest, then teleport over to missionascension.com or click on the link in the box below, because once you are there, there is a very unique workshop about extraterrestrial intelligence that you can sign up for. You will learn the best times to make contact, which alien alphabet each ET of Light prefers. You will also learn about mission requests, light code transmissions, contact signals, and much more. Everything that you need to make contact with the ETs of Light and receive their guidance and training. Now, once a mission request has received a confirmation contact signal, then you can be rest assured that the results will be brought about within that ET's time orbit. Under the Alliance, the ETs of Light are all powerful. Sometimes the results brought about by extraterrestrial intercession are more than magical. They may even be quite miraculous. So check it out. It's missionascension.com or click on the link in the box below. Thank you very much for being here today. Thank you for your divine work on this planet. I'm sending you close encounters and extraterrestrial light.